Hello guys, welcome back to Error Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 11 update KB5089573 or KB5092427 not installing. Follow every step carefully because the last method can fix Windows Update when everything else fails. First, install the update manually from Microsoft Update Catalog. Open the Microsoft Update Catalog link from the description, then search for your update number, like KB5089573 or KB5092427. Before downloading, check your Windows version. Search WinVer and open it. Now check if you are on Windows 11 24H2, 25H2, or another version. Next, open Settings, go to System, then About, and check your system type. Most users will have a 64-bit operating system. Now go back to Microsoft Update Catalog and download the update that matches your Windows version and system type. Once the file downloads, open it and follow the on-screen steps to install the update manually. After it finishes, restart your PC. If that does not work, reset Windows Update components. Copy the Windows Update reset commands from the video description. Open Notepad, paste the commands, then click File, Save As. Save the file on your desktop as ufix.bat. Now right-click the file and choose Run as Administrator. If it asks for confirmation, type Y and press Enter. This will stop Windows Update services, reset update files, run repair scans, and start the services again. When it finishes, restart your PC and try the update again. Next, use the built-in Windows Repair option. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, Advanced Options, then Recovery. Click Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current Windows version while keeping your apps, files, and settings. Once it finishes, restart and try updating again. If the update still will not install, use the Media Creation tool. Open the official Windows 11 download page, download the Media Creation tool, run it, accept the terms, select ISO file, and save it. After the ISO downloads, open it, run Setup, click Next, accept the terms, and make sure Keep Personal Files and Apps is selected. Then click Install. After the repair install is complete, log back in and run Windows Update again. One of these steps should fix the Windows 11 update install problem.